So the other thing I was going to say is another exercise you can do is you line your belly. I'm sure you've seen this one before. You stretch your arms out like train tracks and your legs, so in line with your shoulders. And you're going to slide them back. Now, we're just going to go to our elbows, which you can't see that now, but to our elbows. We're going to breathe in, trying to pull our chest through our arms. Head down. Just trying to isolate the chest. And bringing the head back. Now squeezing your butt. Your butt is on fire, so you're actually lifting the legs. Because this is what you're going to be doing in Janeiro. It's more of a side bend than a back bend. It's kind of crazy. But your butt should be on fire right now. So you're going to lift down and squeeze. And just practice this. And then pulling your chest through, squeezing the butt to protect the back. Continuously squeezing. So I'm like pulling with my hands, my chest through, and still squeezing. And like you can look to the side, to your side. This is a way of waking up your body and telling your body what's going to happen next. What am I going to use next? How is it going to be used? It's like a proprioception feedback, like prep exercise. But it'll also strengthen those muscles, like the erector spinae muscles coming up here. You know, your gluteus maximus, medium and minor, i.e. your butt cheeks. Your butt cheek, I should say, both butt cheeks. And then it's like everything should be on. There shouldn't be a part of you that's not on. Obviously breathe while doing these. Take your time and try and relax, but you're pulling your chest through. That's the idea. So you pull it through, you breathe into the body, and then you're lifting. So as you're breathing, it's lengthening, so that it's safer, so it's not jamming one bone on top of the other. You know? Not good.